welcome back.
Hey guys,
welcome back to my channel. You gonna repeat that one too? So today is a little different of a video. So for the past couple of weeks, I wanted to try thrifting because I haven't shopped in probably for clothes. I shop for makeup, stuff for my esthetician stuff, and like lighting and stuff like that. That's only things I buy, and food. When I have money, shopping for clothes is the last thing that I think about. But now that I work a job where I have to look nice, I go through my clothes and I'm like, I have nothing. Even though I have a ton of clothes, I don't feel like I have anything new and fresh and hip. So, I have coin right now, but I still don't want to spend money on it. You know what I'm saying? So I thought I would get my friend Aaliyah, that is a queen thrifter, queen of thrifting, and she's going to give me the best tips and tricks to make my thrifting experience. I've been staring at the viewfinder the entire time. I never look at the camera. I feel like it makes it really personal.
I'm only gonna look at the camera.
I feel like it makes it like really personal, and I'm like, anyways, we're gonna go thrifting and it's gonna be fun, and she's gonna make it the best experience, and she's going to show me, she's gonna hopefully probably pick out my outfits for me, but I'm gonna watch how she's doing it so I can like learn her ways. Because I don't want to spend that much money on clothes, because that's the last thing that I think about and the last thing I want to spend money on. So we're going to jump in the car and we're gonna go to Goodwill, right?
Goodwill.
We're gonna go to Goodwill, and it's like 2 miles away. So jump in the car, we'll be at Goodwill.
Yeah.
But we thought we would be at Goodwill, but we're actually just in the car.
Tip number 1.
Yeah, give some tips before we get there, because we need to know what we're doing before we get in the store. That's tip number 1.
Well, first of all, it's Monday. I don't like Goodwill. I mean, I don't like Savers. Cut that out. I don't like Savers. They're like okay, but their prices are too much. Goodwill's where it's at. Today is Monday. That means it's double stamp day.
Wow.
So if you have your...
At Goodwill?
Yes. If you have your Goodwill card and you're a veteran, you get 2 stamps as opposed to 1 stamp for every $5 that you spend.
That's so queen.
I filled up 2 cards so far. This is number 3. Yeah, so think about the day that you're going.
Is there any other days that you should go, like, or is it only like Monday's deal?
Monday is the day, but every day they have
I love that we did it today.
We did it.
And we didn't even plan it. Sorry about my blinker.
Now that you picked your day that you're going on, you pick your clothes that you're gonna wear, because it is kind of important if you want to shop a lot. You want to wear clothes that are comfy and that you feel you can change out of really easy.
So I walked into my room before we left and I was like, I'm gonna grab some jeans. And she goes, no sis, you better keep those sweatpants on. Thrift tip number 1, it's easy. You wear easy clothes to get in and out of. Yay! Okay.
She keeps taking your hand off the wheel.
Am I supposed to say like this? Okay, sorry. Is there anything else we should know before we get there? Because we're only like a minute away.
I cannot think.
Do you have an idea of like a style you're looking for me, or are you just going like haywire, whatever you're thinking? Because this original idea was supposed to be Tony coming as well, and she's also a thrifting queen, and they were supposed to duel, and like whoever got the better outfit was going to win, you know what I mean? And that's the outfit I was going to buy. She says it would be her, but we'll see once we see her thrifting skills.
Oh, I thrifted this cute cardigan. She can show my outfit after.
That is really cute.
Yeah, I kind of kill it. I don't know. No.
Like
cool pants.
Older, cooler pants. I like that.
Respect, like,
but I also
trousers.
Yes.
Okay.
Also, I got my period today, so I'm not wearing cute underwear, so I'm not gonna be able to see like the real deal.
But you can imagine.
But I can imagine it. You know what I'm saying?
It's everybody's time.
We all follow the same schedule.
If Glam Mass is so strong and dominant, we're all attached to her cycle.
Skylar used to be the same as me too. Does your change a lot? Mine hasn't changed since I was like
all the time. I have a short like off cycle where like people's are like 30 days, 32 days. I have like 26 days.
Really?
Yeah. I'll get mine
weird.
twice in a month, like once a year.
What? Here we are. We're at
Goodwill. Oh, you cannot see a damn thing. Other way. Goodwill.
Goodwill.
Yay! Park, sis. Look at her go.
Driving, you know.
You don't look at the road.
So we're at Goodwill and we're starting in the shoe section. You want to show the shoe section? Shoes. We're starting in the shoe section. Yes. Should we get a pair of shoes?
If you like a pair. We're starting in shoes because it's like the least overwhelming. At Goodwill, there's not a huge shoe section. so it's the least overwhelming. Because there's a lot.
A lot.
A lot of stuff's hype, right? A lot of the time.
Sometimes it's not organized.
There is a lot.
Aw,
And it's
baby.
a little unorganized. Oh, that's kind of good. I mean, not a great angle, but here we go.
Is it kind of everything? No?
She said no. I feel like those old ladies that kind of hunch over at their grocery store and they're like, where's the eggs? Where's the corn? Those do look small. And I also do not do well in tall heels.
This is a tall heel.
It's tall. Okay, I do way better in chunky heels is what I should have said. Perfect.
You had your own tip. Tell them your tip.
Oh, I didn't know that was a tip. She said to Pinterest before you, why isn't it focusing? So she just threw this scarf in there. It's sparkly. So my tip was, before you get here, go on Pinterest and grab an outfit that you think you would like. Everyone's looking at me because we're in Massachusetts in a small town and this isn't normal. Like we're not in LA.
We're not in LA.
Sorry.
Go through like your Instagram likes. Whatever you have saved Instagram likes.
What about it?
You can go through them as opposed to Pinterest.
Oh, yeah, go through your Instagram likes and see what you've liked for outfits, even though I don't like OOTDs. I don't follow anyone fashion-wise.
I'm on a time constraint. I can't tell you my process right now, but normally when I'm looking for things that pop out. Textures, colors, any pieces that interest me that look like more one of a kind, because that's really why you thrift. You don't want to look generic, you want to get your grown woman style on, grown man style on.
Tip number 4, smacked. She got this. Okay, we're starting with shirts.
This is like businesswoman, but kind of boring.
I love striped sweaters.
Sweaters?
Or shirts, I love them. Throw it in.
Throw it in, and it's a pink tag, baby.
Oh, she swipes through. She swipes like Tinder.
I can't waste time.
She's queening. Okay. Sarah.
I'm sweating. Tip number 3. Goodwill has a lot of good basics. Tons of turtlenecks and stuff like that. Super in, but we are going into spring. So they also have tons of tank tops, whatever else is spring.
Got it. How would I describe my style? There's no description. I don't know. Like basic. Aaliyah has another tip. Not one more.
Here I am. My tip is, kind of goes along with the Pinterest thing. Like, know your purpose. It's overwhelming. There's a lot of stuff. Even though Goodwill is like color coordinated and like organized most of the time, there's a lot.
So right now we're staying in the ladies' short sleeves because we're going into spring. Not summer yet for tankies. Maybe some tankies if we get crazy. She said, naughty, nice. I tried. So now we're trying on stuff. Show her the cart.
So I'm gonna try to figure out what's a good thing to have her wear now. Here's my thing, in case anyone was wondering. I know, I did that. Okay, she's about to come out. We're ready for you, darling. Okay, turn around. Wow. I do really like the shirt.
So, if we stay in the shorts, they're tight. I can't gain any more weight.
Outfit number 2.
No.
We don't like the shirt. It's just not our style.
Like, it's weird.
It's weird. It's got double ruffles with the sleeves, and the middle part just isn't doing it. So we said, okay.
We don't like. These are weird.
They just don't fit
They
right.
had an idea, but it wasn't executed. And then
Same with the shirt. You tried to suck it in. You really tried to make it work. Oh, you poor thing. Any silver lining?
Silver lining? What do you mean?
When there's a bad thing that happens, there's a silver lining. Like at least anybody else feel like I'm doing a lot of work? Whoa. Are you bra? I don't hate it.
Really?
I really don't. You hate it?
Well, what do you like about it is the thing.
I think that's so fun. And literally cut the shoulder pads out.
We're looking for spunky, hip, like different.
Okay.
And we're not looking for school teacher.
Okay. No, it's okay. You hate it. I'm gonna go throw everything in the cart away. Come out. Okay. Okay, shoot. When's the meeting? Because you're on your way.
She's like the CEO.
She's the CEO. It's me again. Cut this out. So it's just pants this time. You like. Make your belt look good.
I like. Cool.
It's a go.
Like light bulb. Why? We didn't even do it when we left the store.
We do one from the cart to the cart.
And we're back. It was, what do you think, a success?
That's up to you, babe. Do your final thoughts and I'll give my overall.
My first time thrifting, I think it was a success. I got 6 items, 2 shirts, 2 pants, and 2 belts. I love the belts. I definitely love one of the pants. I like one of the other pants. What are the 2 shirts I got? I really like the striped one. I mean, it was puckering.
I think you did good. I think I did bad. I think we didn't follow one of our tips.
We didn't
really know what we were going for. We were just kind of like hoping for the best. But I will never stop raving about Goodwill. I love Goodwill. Everyone should go there. Old School is in.
Thank you so much.
I have to add that I'm so grateful to Glam Mass for giving me a platform to share my love for Goodwill.
Yes.
I'm so glad that she thought that I would be a good companion.
Look at the dog. Aw, cute. We don't love them though. They had a Trump campaign thing on their lawn.
We don't love that.
We passed by their house like this.
Not my neighbor.
Not my neighbor. If you were not there, I would not have succeeded. I wouldn't have got one thing because that was hard. Thank you guys so much for watching.
She's gonna link my account, my YouTube, my Reddit, my
You don't
LinkedIn,
even have a YouTube.
my MySpace. Everything will be in the description below. And I guess you can check out her channel like if you have time. But mostly just check that description. Sound off in the comments, guys. Love you guys. Check you later.
Bye-bye.